What will I do today? I don't know about the alarm. Well, sorry about it. So, I don't know what to do. Well, you will be fine. I think. Don't speak too soon today. Well, sorry. I forgot. Are you serious? Yep. I'm just gonna go outside for a minute. Sir, be careful. Yeah, I'll be careful. Sometimes I'm not gonna do things to go as planned. So, yeah, I'll go.